Hi, boys and girls. Today with Story Time with Miss Dana, we are going to read A Butterfly is Born. After our story, we're going to talk about the life cycle that a caterpillar goes through in order to become a butterfly. So let's get started. A butterfly is born. Butterflies are beautiful insects. I see a few butterflies on this page. Why don't we count how many there are? Let's go. Help me at home, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see the blue butterfly? Can you touch the blue butterfly? There's the blue one. Good job. Next, can you touch the yellow butterfly with the black stripes? Where's the yellow butterfly with black stripes? See if you can touch it. There it is on the yellow flower. Let's see. Can you touch the butterfly that has an orange in the middle and black and yellow on the outside? Which butterfly is that? Can you touch it? There it is. And our last one is the monarch butterfly. Where is the black and orange butterfly? See if you can touch it. There it is. All right. Butterflies fly from flower to flower, drinking nectar with their long tongues. See if I can, I'm going to bring this up a little closer so you can see the butterfly. There is its long tongue. And that sweet juice that they drink from the flower is called the nectar. Can you say that? Good job. There are lots of butterflies on this page. Can you see all the butterflies? But a butterfly doesn't always look this way. It begins life as a tiny little what? Do you remember what it starts as? The tiny little egg. That up there, that's our first thing. It starts as our tiny egg. All right. I'm going to bring my book closer, friends. Now, this picture is magnifying. That means it is bigger than it really looks. So it's blown up. But this is how the caterpillar starts its life, as a tiny little egg. And these are eggs that are on the leaf where they lay. Let's count the eggs on the leaf. Let's go, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and 7. There are 7 eggs on the leaf. The egg hatches in a few days. I'm going to show you up close. Now, what do you think is going to hatch out of the tiny little egg? I'll give you another hint. Who's going to hatch out? The caterpillar comes out of the egg. Dana will put that up there too so you can see. Starts as an egg, hatches as a caterpillar. And out comes the tiny caterpillar. Now, once the caterpillar comes out, he's gonna be really, really hungry. Let's see what happens next. The young caterpillar is very hungry. It eats its eggshell. So his first meal, he actually eats the shell in which he hatched from. Then it starts to eat green what? Green leaves. It eats many, many leaves. The caterpillar needs to get big and fat. Okay. Oh, he took a big bite out of there. Now, what color caterpillar is this? I see 3 colors. Can you name them? Black, yellow, and white. There's right. The caterpillar eats and grows and eats and grows. How big, look how big the caterpillar has grown. Oh, let me show you boys and girls this picture. How tiny these 2 caterpillars are. And look how big this one is. This one must be older and has been eating more green leaves. There he is up close. Taking a bite out of those green leaves. It's getting big and fat. The big one is in the middle of the tiny 2. How many are on this entire leaf? Can you count them? There are 3 caterpillars on that leaf. Good job, boys and girls. Let's keep reading and see what happens next. Now the caterpillar is ready to change. It begins to hang from a branch. Oh, look, he's starting to get upside down. Do you have an idea what he's gonna do next? I think he might be making something. Let's read and find out. Slowly, the caterpillar turns into a pupa. I'm gonna show you that up close. It's beginning to form the shell called the pupa. Oh, it's forming even more. Getting all the way up and getting harder. And over time, it covers its entire body in the hard shell. Here it is when it's all ready. He's inside the chrysalis. We're gonna put our next step. The caterpillar starts as a tiny little egg. Then it hatches out and becomes the what? The caterpillar. Then, after it eats all of its green leaves and gets big and fat, it hangs upside down from a branch to form the chrysalis. From outside, the pupa looks very still. Still meaning don't move. That's being still. But inside, so much is going on. Can you see what's happening to the pupa? All right, let's look closely. Do you see through it? Maybe see what it might become? I think it's starting to transform. into the, let's keep reading and find out. After some time, out comes the butterfly. So remember, our caterpillar first started as a tiny little egg on a leaf. Out comes the egg. Out of the eggshell is the caterpillar. Then the caterpillar eats and eats. It gets big and fat and begins to form its chrysalis. It hangs upside down and forms that hard shell. After time, and when it's all ready to transform and push its way out, it becomes the butterfly. Good job. Let's see. The butterfly's wings are wet, meaning not dry. See how crumpled they are? But in a few hours, they will dry out. Show you up close. See how bent the wings look? Soon, it hardens and it's gonna get ready to fly away. Now the butterfly's wings are strong and it can fly. Can you fly around? Go ahead, fly around like the butterflies. Good job. Where do you think this butterfly's going? All right, boys and girls. That was my story, A Butterfly is Born. Now I'm gonna mix up our order and I'm gonna need some help at home for you to tell me which stage starts first. So in order to become a butterfly, what's the first thing? It starts as a tiny little egg. After, what hatches out of the egg? The caterpillar. So number 2, what happens next is our caterpillar is hatched from its egg. Let's see what the third thing that happens in the life cycle of a butterfly. Oh, a little glary. There we go. Starts as an egg, then comes a caterpillar. After it eats all of its green leaves, it forms its chrysalis. So that's number 3. And number 4, when the caterpillar inside is all formed, it's ready to hatch out and become the butterfly. All right, boys and girls, let's see if we can. That is our stages of the life cycle of what a caterpillar goes through in order to become the big, beautiful butterfly. All right, friends, thanks for staying tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye.